All right, guys, here we go. My take on what this price action is here after we swept the all-time high, had this nasty dump. What does this mean for BTC? Where are we headed to? What's the wave structure looking like? Guys, in this video, I'm honestly going to be showing you the Ethereum chart. It's just more clear for me. I'm in an Ethereum trade from last night right now. There was a clear trade there for me, so I took it, ended up playing out. And the Ethereum chart is just more clear from a wave structure point of view. So we're going to pull a lot from what Ethereum's showing me and translate that over to BTC. So stick with me, guys. I'm going to map this out for you and show you what I believe is going on here. We're going to go smaller time frames as well and see what's cooking. You're going to see Elliott wave in this video. If you guys are new to Elliott, there's a free course in the free Discord that's pinned in the first comment down below. Just go check out the free course. It's boot camp, 3 hours long right here. Just join the free Discord and you will have access to that. Let's get into it. So, last night, in yesterday's video, I should say, I told you 100K needs to hold for all-time high to break. We were in the middle of a dump, kind of right up here, when I made that video. And 100K, in fact, held. We got this push up towards all-time high, took it out. I really, guys, I needed to see this just, consolidate if it wants to, but keep pushing up. No pullbacks. There was no reason for it. It shouldn't have happened. We, in fact, got a swing fail of all-time high. I told you in yesterday's video, this fair value gap here on the daily time frame, which is still intact, I needed a daily close above 105,800, right above this fair value gap. I needed a daily close above here to confirm this breakout, and we have not gotten it. Are we going to get it? I don't know. Looks unlikely. So, confirmation never even happened for me last night, and you're out of your damn mind if you think I'm long in this. We took some shorts. When I placed the short on Ethereum last night, BTC was up here. I'm not going to short this. I knew it was very easily could have just done that and kept going. But Ethereum did put in a structure that I did very much like. Very much. We shorted the tippy top on Ethereum over in the Discord. And I was playing an ABC up to the 1-to-1 extension here. And guys, stick with me. I'm just giving you backstory of why we are where we are. Okay? So we shorted this on Ethereum. And had this beautiful move down here. Okay. When I placed the short, I told them, for this to play out, BTC quite literally needs to swing fail the top. That would be the implications of this. But Ethereum had the clear trade, the clear stop loss for me. I knew what I was kind of, it had invalidation points for me where BTC did not. So I threw the trade in on Ethereum. Now, as we get into the actual forecast as to what I'm seeing play out. I am trading on Blowfin, guys. I also trade over on BitUnix. If you do want to give these exchanges a try, they're both no KYC. Pinned in the first comment down below, I have, let me pause that, the best bonuses for you. Blowfin has a 10% deposit bonus and then up to $33,000 trading volume bonus. BitUnix has VIP2, 15% off fees, 20% deposit bonus. I use 2 exchanges, swings and scalps. Try them both if you're interested in trading this stuff. Those are the best promotions running right now. So that's where that trade came from. I just put in a smaller trade on BTC as well down here, trying to catch a little bit of a dump. So ignore the BTC chart as of right now. We're going to skip over to Ethereum. And just at a glance, guys, Ethereum, it wants to come down. There's no doubt about it. And guys, am I saying we are going to absolutely nuke? No. I mean, at least down in here, Ethereum is giving me signs we're putting in a structure at least like this. Then we can entertain upside. But trying to swing that type of move into BTC's chart is very difficult for me right now with how finished this looks here. And if you've watched my previous analysis, my previous videos on Ethereum, I was calling for down here 2800, 2700. And I believe that is what's coming to a chart near you very soon, where we're putting in a W wave, an X wave, a Y wave down in here. Down in here. 2750. This WXY, zooming out a little bit, in my opinion, is going to lead to the next phase of the pump, putting in a wave like that. And, you know, just to give you guys a sense of where I'm at overall on Ethereum on the daily time frame, we're going to switch over to log scale. I really, really love this parallel channel on log scale. Like, really love it. For an ending diagonal situation where we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's come up for 5. This should come up correctively. This whole wave would be a correction up, correction down here, correction up here. Corrective. Okay? Now, I'm not a fortune teller. I take trade opportunities as I see them. And I just love Ethereum coming down to this 2800 level. Looking at the entire wave structure. At least coming down here, and then we can talk about, okay, we're going to start hitting to the upside here. Right? So translating this over to the BTC chart. If Ethereum was to put in a move like that, you know, I would expect it to be an impulsive move to the downside to that $2,800 level. I would, you know, also expect BTC to put in some type of impulsive wave to the downside. Now, before we go over what I am seeing on the BTC chart, zooming out to like the 6 hour, I mean, all of these time frames, guys, bearish divergence, all on the chart. It's actually quite frightening. 10-hour time frame is there. The daily time frame, it is there. True daily bearish divergence is on the chart. The weekly is there. It's a scary thing if it actually plays out. All these time frames are showing bearish divergence. Small to large. Keep that in the back of your mind as I'm showing you this. Now, what I'm seeing play out is an extremely complex, and guys, this is just an idea. This is something that works bearishly for me. You know, we could be in the midst of just a simple retrace like this. You know, if we find some support here, come down, put it in a zigzag, and then we got 1, 2, big time, 3, 4, 5. You know, that could be at play. That's a variation. But looking at Ethereum's wave structure again, I'm expecting a nice push to the downside. A nice push that's quick, swift, to the point. What would give me that push is to consider this whole thing as some type of nasty, gnarly flat, which we are coming down here to this 85K level, to the 2 fib. Your most popular fib zones right here at all this support. Do I think this support is going to hold again if we come down here? I just don't, guys. I just don't. So I'm targeting the 2 fib. You know, probabilistically, you're looking at this fib box, the 1618, around 90K. I just don't believe this is going to hold. I think it's going to have a major sweep of liquidity. And honestly, a lot of people will think the top is in for good reason, including myself probably, right? But you know, what I'm thinking is going to happen, we're going to sweep to the 2 and then we actually take off. in a more substantial way. All of this is a nasty, nasty correction. As you guys know, I was not trading the weekend leading up to inauguration. And I'm glad I didn't, because it was good if you're in and out of trades. Honestly, a lot of money to be made, but the trades just weren't, it just wasn't worth it for me. So I'm happy in the trades that I'm in currently. If you guys want access to my trades real time and how I'm servicing them, I have swing alerts, scalp alerts. We do live streams Monday through Friday. Indicators are all in here. Just check out the premium Discord. Click upgrade here. You get a 4-day free trial if you're interested. Go check it out and see how you like it. Come really learn Elliott Wave. This is how it's implemented. This is how you truly learn how to use it in your trading. Learning it is one thing, but watching how it's implemented is a totally different story. So I'm sorry this video is a little chaotic, guys. I am drained. I am exhausted. I'm tired. Drove like 4 hours today picking my girl up from the airport, but it's all right. Here we are. So I'm looking at more downside, guys, down to the 85K level on BTC. I want to see this thing nuke. I want an absolute nuke. If we find some type of support after we take out these lows here and give a little correction, I wouldn't be surprised. But we'll take it one trade at a time, one day at a time. And, what I'm currently playing with my trades is a freaking nuke down to 85K. Ethereum down to 2,800 at least. And then I'm getting the hell out and looking to flip long. That's my plan. Subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates, guys. Trade safe. I love you. See you in tomorrow's video. Peace.